Welcome to Inforiver Analytics Plus. In this video, we will talk about comparison bands in Inforiver Analytics Plus. To add comparison bands to your charts, navigate to Conditional Formatting and select Comparison Band. In the Comparison Band window, set the band color to Color Scale. Specify the number of bands you want to display. Choose the compared series, either percentage or custom. Next, select the color scale type and pick a color scheme that suits your preference. Then, set the compared series value and color, and click Apply to finalize your settings. You have now applied comparison bands to your chart. To reverse the band scales, click on Reverse Scales toggle and click on Apply. You can also set up custom scales in the comparison bands. Click on Custom, set the number of bands. Adjust the compared series as per your preference. Choose the color from the color picker. You can also flip the scales if needed. Finalize your settings by clicking on Apply. And that's how you add comparison bands to your charts. Thank you for watching. Experience the power of Inforiver Analytics Plus by downloading it from Microsoft AppSource. To learn more, explore the documentation available in the description.